There's a fish. Oh man, that's a good bass. Oh, he peed on me. What is it with these fish peeing on me? I have not fished at this spot. I've never been here before, but there's a dam to my right that way. I'm hoping that the deeper water around the dam might have some fish in it. Got my trusty inline spinner. What's up, guys? Your catfish around here? Is that what y'all are going for?
Yeah, hopefully. Nothing so far. That's what we're hoping for.
Nice. Well, good luck. Yeah, man. It took me a minute to find a good access point on the dam, but once I got up there, the action was pretty steady. Here in just a few seconds, you're going to see me miss a G.A.R. And by miss, I mean I didn't even see it until I reviewed this video footage after I got home. I can't believe I didn't see this fish in real time. Nice. Wow. Nice bluegill. That is a pretty fish. Let's do there we go. Pretty bluegill, pretty bluegill. All right. So the technique there was that I actually walked a little bit further away from the place that I actually wanted to fish because of the angle. I'm so far above the water. So the angle was such a weird angle that I couldn't actually fish right on top of where I was standing. So it is difficult to fish right here because I'm so far above the water. My spinner is not spending very much time A, spinning, B, in the water. Maybe I have those two things mixed up, I don't know. I find the lack of bites disturbing. Wow, that's a bald eagle. Wow, I don't know that I've ever seen one of those in the wild. Here in North Carolina? Are you serious? I don't know how in the world I'm gonna land this fish. I mean, he's already on the ground and he's 27 feet away. Okay, there we go. There we go. Pretty little dude. I need the bass that's going to eat that guy for a little snack, though. That's what I'm looking for. Which is why I'm fishing with a tiny inline spinner. Makes a lot of sense, I know. There was a bite. It's probably a bluegill the size of my thumb. I have a good feeling about this wall.
Little did I know that it would be the other side of the wall that would hold my best catch of the day.
Keep getting bit right there. That was wild though, seeing that bald eagle. There it is. Dang it. Snag. I'm a big dummy. Probably a bluegill the size of my thumb. There's a fish. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, he peed on me. What is it with these fish peeing on me? Oh, he peed on. Did I squeeze him too hard or something? I mean, I'm trying to be gentle, I swear. Nice fish. There's a fish. Oh man, that's a good bass. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. Whew. Dang. Nice. Nice. Right here in this little pocket on the other side of this dam. That's a good little bass right there, man. That's a good little bass. Nice. Oh. That's much more in line with what I've been looking for. And he was just right there in that little pocket. On the 16th ounce black and silver rooster tail. Gosh, it's tricky getting the bait in there. You know what I mean? Fish. There we go. Off you go, dude. All right, I was able to climb off of that dam from that tree. My GoPro died, so I couldn't catch my descent on camera. But I think you'll take my word for it. Either way, I'm down here. And I'm gonna fish some more. Come on, dude. Cooperate with me here. I just want to hook you in the mouth, remove the hook, and then put you back where you were. Because that makes total sense. Damn. Ah, felt a little bite. So if there's a bass on the other side of that dam, there's got to be one over here. There's got to be one. The piranha of North Carolina. Oh. And he's off. I'd say like 95% of my releases are like accidental. Like I'm trying to get a better look at the fish. Trying to get you guys a better look at the fish, and they just flop, you know? And they're gone. Well, that was fun. I got in some fishing, some hiking, some impromptu bird watching. It was cool, especially that bass. I don't know about you guys, but I don't always catch fish that big. So that was fun. Before you click off of this video, check out one of my other videos. I'm gonna put it on here somewhere. Definitely check me out. If you like this kind of content, if you like watching me hike around, try to catch fish, then subscribe. Thanks so much. I will see you guys next time.